So time for me to show y'all my new car. Hell yeah, but this the inside though, bro. That look nice. Kind of dirty. No, that's how I'm cleaning it up and stuff. We got a nice lot of space in the back. Got a lot of space in the car, period. Right. Looking at it all the way, a lot of space in it. But I just like this joint. It's a nice, smooth, little grown man feel, bro. I like this thing, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like after I'm done cleaning. It's gonna look way better, man. Y'all can come with me though. First clean up for this car, man. Got one of these little cloths. I really wanted to keep them in the pack, but oh well. Dry the outside of the car, man. What I'm finna do now is just put this spray on there, that tire shine. This shit make it look way better, boy. Show you how to put this shit on. This shit make your shit shine. This is what they look like now. They're not shining for real. Now I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done. Now them hoes done. They shining. They shining out. I'm missing this on there. I don't know what happened. I feel like somebody stole it, but it might have just came without it. I don't know. But I'm finna change this on all of them. That bitch gonna be tough as fuck. Watch. Then change it to the shit I just bought. Go to these. Alright, y'all hurry up, dude. Yeah, that hoe finna be tough. Y'all finna see though. Them hoes. Oh yeah, that shit hard, cuz. Oh yeah, that been tough. Man, y'all can watch me clean, but also y'all can see what I bought, you know, some this to keep myself clean, though. And this keep this smell. What a combination of this to keep the smell. So what? It's low-key hard to do this at the same time. Y'all can see it when I'm done. This is low-key dirty. Y'all gonna see it when it's done.
Many minutes later.
Yeah, just show y'all the trunk space and shit. You got good trunk space and shit. Decent little shit. Yeah. It's big clean now. Look at this bed. It's been hard. Got my smell good stuff up in there. Nice. Nice. They got a sunroof too. Yeah. Oh, it's so many flies up on that bit. Yeah. Yeah, but we finna ride this bit. Show you how this ain't ride. You know, it got Bluetooth and shit. I wonder if it'll play Bluetooth while I'm on the phone. Well, I guess that's a no, but let me turn this off. Turn the flash off too so that the police don't pull us over and shit. Still wet all over and shit, but it's clean though. Hell yeah, but oh yeah, that dry, y'all seen that? And if you want, you can put it over here and do the pedals and shit. Paddles or shifts and shit. But I don't want to. It got like this little thing. It controls little damn stuff, but feel me? But don't matter. This change the modes and stuff. Eco Sport. Personal standard. I drive in standard a lot. Eco saves gas, but only when I need to save gas. I ain't really tripping over when I know I'm not gonna just in cruise mode. But standard is decent because you can really still and it don't waste as much gas. But I'm finna drive in sport for y'all boys because this shit is nice. Shit is nice. Let me show y'all, man. Pull off real quick for y'all boys. Ooh, some little fun shit over there, man. Let's go. Oh, that's very nice. This car club. You feel me? You hear that V6? That bitch get the whining on that nigga. Stop playing. I will still take your bitch in this hoe. The cops out here pulling people over and shit, not playing no games with niggas. Already on niggas' ass. Just thank you, teach me. Watch this. I got that shit now. A good little spin right here. Look, watch these. Hold it down real quick. Ain't nobody over here hiding. Get arrested, you know, lie. This whole, I don't know if I like it driving better than my Mustang yet, but it's way more smoother driving. I love driving my Mustang because it's like as soon as you push down, it goes. This one, it's kind of like a delay, but it's like as soon as it goes, it goes. Like watch the pedometer. Y'all gonna see foot down on the gas. You feel me? Like that hoe get it going. But it's gonna take a little. Going to like, oh yeah, I forgot. I went to the rich people area, that's why. But it's looking nice. Yeah, man. So let me get some of this footage for y'all, man. I think this the turn now. Oh yeah, let's see if we can catch any hoes staring. You know, the Mustang, you gonna catch some hoes staring there. Niggas staring all that. They fuck with the Mustang. That bitch drop by. Do this shit got the same or no? Man, it really depending on what I see outside. I might have to dip, cause this might not be my little area, man. It's slide. Ain't gonna be no honeys out here. That boy still look nice with the things. Come spend the night with me, baby. I got the snacks. Come spend the night, baby. We'll have a good time. That shit sound weird, huh? Hell yeah. This ain't still by itself too. That's tough. tell me something about this. Or the stain, cuz. This bitch, or the stain. And these the tire caps up there hard. You see that one? I'm also finna put like a little silver thing, a little license plate on the back. And I'm gonna tint out the lights on the back. This is gonna be harder. Just wait on me to change the caps. Yeah, new car, bitch.